Shri Bhagwati presents Ribbon Blender. A ribbon blender is a type of industrial mixing machine used for the homogeneous mixing of powders, granules, and other solid materials. It is a versatile and efficient blending device widely employed in various industries such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, and cosmetics. Ribbon blenders are valued for their efficiency, simplicity, and ability to handle a diverse range of materials. They play a crucial role in the manufacturing process by ensuring uniformity in the composition of blended products. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.